The boomslang is a highly venomous snake found in sub-Saharan Africa. Despite its relatively calm and non-aggressive demeanor, its venom is potent and potentially dangerous to humans. They have long, slender bodies with large eyes and keeled scales. Males are typically larger than females and can reach lengths of around 5 to 6 feet. Boomslangs possess rear-facing fangs located at the back of their mouths. Their venom contains hemotoxins, which can disrupt blood clotting and cause internal bleeding. They primarily feed on birds and small mammals, such as rodents and chameleons.